This is my Ubuntu desktop. So today I'm going to display you a small single sign-on effect, the basic single sign-on effect with three environments. Before that, I am going to show you Ubuntu, Ubuntu Linux. Ubuntu is a flavor of Linux. You can have Debian Linux or any other form of Linux for a desktop version. You can have RedHat Advanced server if you want as a desktop. But I would prefer going for a desktop version and installing Vmware and then installing the server versions. So this is my Ubuntu Linux, and you can see it's a Red Hat, it's a Ubuntu with a kernel version of 2.6, and I have installed this on a 64-bit machine. My version is x86 64-bit. So my machine is 8 GB 1 terabyte dual core processor machine. So let me show you some of the beautiful effects of Ubuntu. I have installed a software known as Compass, which gives you a very beautiful color. So these wobbly effects of Windows, if you close this, you will get a crashing effect. If you open this and if you try to minimize it, you'll see fire, and you can see that if you maximize this window, you can pull it the way you want. You can drag it, and all these funny things keeps happening. You can put it. Okay, so I'll put a move here. My window is back, so I'm here. So let me show you some of the beautiful effects of Compass. So this is my globe, where you can see my windows, all windows you can see around this globe. And if you see this globe carefully, there are a couple of fishes in this globe, and in between there is water inside it, and fishes are, you can design it the way you want. There are a lot of things that you can do. So let me show you. You can rotate in any ways, and if you see this, I have a video running out here. Oops. Okay, I have a video running here, and there's an effect actually. You can make the video run the way you want. Okay, I have 4 workspaces in my Ubuntu. This is one workspace, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So wherever you want to go, you can move on. So here, this is my one workspace. I can do whatever I want here. I can have my different desktops, different windows. You can have different applications in different workspace so that you're more organized. And what I try to do is, now I'm going to show you something very beautiful. Let me go to a darker screen so that I can show you in a better way. So let's start it here. So let's see. These are some of the effects of Compass that you can do. You have to configure it and design it that way, whatever the features are available. So let's see. Fire. I'm going to show you this fire effect, and I can write my single sign-on, and this is my single sign-on SSO, and so these are some of the beautiful effects of Compass. I can have snow out here, and I can have also water effect if I want to see. Let's see. Okay. Let's see this. These are some of the beautiful water effects that I can have on the screen. Okay. And I can have my snow, and then I can have my snow. This gives me a workspace effect, so I need to disable this, and let's try to rotate now, and I can see the snow all over my Earth globe, and let's see, it looks beautiful. So the plan is, basically, this is just a glossy effect to make the single sign-on effect look beautiful. The plan is to have each workspace with one single machine. So the plan is to install Vmware by Virtualization. I'm going to install different machines. So here I can see all the windows that are open in the workspace. I can go whichever window I want, and I'm here. So there are a couple of more things that you can do with this. You can have these, and you can have play like cards. The windows can be played like cards, and you can have these this effect, and yeah, you can rotate the windows on the workspace, and those things. You can make it darker. You can change it. You can make it a negative effect. So you can do all those things, and you can make shade, give a shade to these windows. Disable the snow effect. So you can make shade to these windows. You can burn a little bit of fire in the window, and so let's see, and you can centralize this. The window will be in the center, and the rest all will be vanished. So these all are funny features that you have in Compass. You can configure it according to your way. So the plan is basically to show you how my how I can configure VMware in different desktops. So basically the plan is I'll be having around 4 to 5 machines, and one machine will be Siteminder, one will be ldap, one will be a web server, and I'm going to show you a single sign-on effect with all these windows. So let's see how it goes. We can start the VMware server just by opening a terminal. You can type in VMware and you should be in. So that'll be opening a browser session. VMware server has been installed on this machine. On this, we can you can use a HTTP instance to actually access that particular VMware server. You can type in your ID and password, and you should be in. So with that, you will be able to see all the servers are managed. I have like around 5 to 6 servers. More are coming in. So I have a Windows server. I have all my Linux servers are actually RedHat Advanced server, 32-bit. And on that I have installed Siteminder. On one server I have installed ldap, on one server I have installed Sunone, on one I have installed Apache. So that's how it is going on. I have also installed version 12 Siteminder. So I have a couple of servers which has DNS, DHCP, and more is coming up. So you can have a list of a lot of servers. You can just go to the server and you can see, you can start the service from here. You can manage all the related things. You can manage the hard disk, the memory, the floppy drive, the CD-ROM. You have events where you can see the how the processing is going on, how the server is booting up, the permissions, the tasks that you're scheduling for the VMware server. So it's a beautiful interface that you can have all things very user friendly. You can just start the server. You can at this point I've already started and made it in a hibernate state, so you can that creates a different instance for that particular machine in the same it will just hang that machine in that particular position, and you can start from there. So I'm starting the ldap server. Similarly, I can start simultaneously my Siteminder server. I can start my Sunone server. So all the servers will be booted up together.